Hello friends, welcome to Planning P6. Hope you are doing well. Today I am here with a new version of Primavera P6, Primavera P6 24.12 version. Actually, the Oracle has launched this version on 13th of December. It was on air, and now today we will go learn what are the updates for the PPM, EPPM and web users and for iOS versions MacBook. So I have downloaded the Primavera P6 software here. First of all, we will go and see how we can locate our database for the 23.12 version. As you see here in the projects tab, I have prepared program over there to explain the different feature of Primavera P6, Primavera P6 24.12 version download, install and feature overview for PPM, P6 web, iOS and EPPM. So how we can locate the database over there, we will go to the help, and in the help about Primavera P6 professional, because I get too many queries about it, how we can locate the old database before uninstalling. You don't need to uninstall the Primavera P6 because we have this 23 version. If you see, I have also installed the 22 version. Somewhere if there are some functionalities I need to use for the 23 version, if you want to release your memory, then you can do it. Go to the system and see here username planning P6 admin super user. So we are the super user, same I am going to share with you people. So PM database testing, I have created this database SQLite planning P6 F01 planning P6 data and then planning P6 database, and then you can see here planning P6 channel database I have provided over there. You can see here, and version is written over there. So I have just copy the Primavera P6 database here. It is located over there on the desktop. We will going after the installation, we will go there. So this file, only the setup file, I will upload on our website. If you see here in the products, you can use download freely. Just you need to click on download. For this purpose, you have to use the keyword Primavera P6 24.12 or P6 24.12. Only search the keyword here. When you will search, this file will be appeared in the search column. You just need to download the file. I will also provide the link of the download for this version in our YouTube video description, and I will provide in our article as well on the website. And I will share, while I am sharing with the groups and our planning P6 different communities, I will also include this link over there, so you can easily download and install the new version of Primavera P6 and use it. So we will close this Primavera P6 23, and now we will open this setup. Double click on it. After the double clicking there, so I want the setup install. Yes, next, go to the next and go to the typical. I will click on the typical and go to the install. You can see here as I am using the planning P6 user, so I will give it the password for my existing main user here. So if you see, it is installation is in progress. So it was updated the previous version. So I just click on finish, and now we need to search it. Simply you have to do it. We will write here the P6 professional 24. This one is P6 professional. I will pin it to the taskbar as well. So let's open this Primavera P6. So here I will go there and include the database over there, upload the database, as it is taking by itself the database. So I have updated that. I will just go there and connect the database configuration over there. So edit the database configuration. If you see here, there are different databases. I will just do here add a new database. If you want to continue with the previous databases, you can use it. I will just add, or you can add a new by this way as well. So first of all, we will add a new database. If you want to use the new database, just go there, add a new connection. Here we will go to the SQLite, and then maybe I will write here the PP6 and then 24.12. If I want add a new connection to the existing, add a new standalone. Okay, next I will just go there and write here the name of the whatever you want to write. You can write your own planning P6. I will just remove the dash because okay, I will just copy and paste over there. Then I will write the password of the planning P6 database. For the new password, you can give your own password over there. You can use select the currency as well. So load sample data. Okay, I will just want to save it. Okay, Okay, alias has been successfully saved. I will just close it, and you can see here the database is there. So I will write here the planning P6, and then I will give it the password of our. So now if you see here, our new database has been opened over there. There is only the sample data over there. There is nothing else has been included. This is a new database which we have created over there. So collapse 2 I will just do here to the up to the level 2. You can see here the only sample data is there, and Primavera P6 is 24 version. So I will close it and go again to, I will just refresh it, go again to the Primavera P6, and I will include a new database over there. Open the Primavera P6. I will just go edit database configuration. I will add a new connection over there and write here the SQLite, and then I will go to there and write here whatever the planning P6, PLA planning, and then P6, then 24.12 version. Existing standalone, I will just select this database to connect with it. If I see here on the desktop, this is our database, open it. So after the opening, I will save that. Alias is saved successfully. So okay, close it and close it. I will go there and check, make sure that our database has been connected to this advanced, under the advanced. So I will just give the password again here. So you see here, I will write the new database name over there, and professional P6 24. It is now error giving that the version is old. Okay, I will go and it should be updated over there. So you see here it is updating. Primavera is updating the old version to new upgraded. Okay. So now again I will connect it. You see there it is opening. Sometimes it's giving error while it's updating the Primavera P6. It is giving error. So don't worry. Just exit the error and then again put the password and username. It will be automatically upgraded over there. So you can see here our entire database has been opened. Now if you see here, there is a 24 version is that. I will open the project over there, and if you see there, my project is open over there. So what I will do, I will just collapse 2 up to the level 2 or 3, apply. Okay, maybe I will do it collapse to level 3 because I have taken the wellhead development project for the oil and gas, and you can see here I will upgrade it and learn to show you people how we can do it. So first of all, I will explain. We will go here and see Primavera P6 24.12 version, professional project management PPM feature overview. So we will learn about these features overview. So total 10 updates they have done over there. The first update is that they fixed the 9 bugs during this year. Different time they fixed 9 bugs over there. So second is timesheet approval. It is mentioned over there, but this is for the EPPM and web users. So for the PPM, this is not included. This we will just, I wrote here to explain you, this is especially for the web users and EPPM. So third is the unlink activities option. So unlink activities quickly and easily unlink. Before we have an option over there in the Primavera P6. So I will go and expand all. If you see here, before there was an option, you can see here from the edit and go down, you can see here this option. Before it was located only the link activities. Now we have option of the unlink activities. You can choose from the edit as well by selecting some of the activities. Now you can remove only the relationship for the selected activities. If you do for the control A, it will remove the all relationship for the activities. And also you can use from here and unlink activities. If I do their relationship, I will just select these two activities and this activities, and you can see for these activities I will just remove the unlink the activities. By the way, as the link activities option was working, you can see the relationship has been removed now. So the second other feature they have added over there, import XZR with the responsible manager. So there is an option for the import XZR with the responsible manager. I will go there, as I have prepared here export one file for the understanding. I will import that file. I will go to the import or export. So before that feature was not working, I will go to the XZR next, and here if you see project, I will import the project. I will select the XZR file which we put over there. So this is the file. Next, and here I will give to the import to, okay, calendar, whatever the financial calendar is, I will go there. If you see here in the global, before that was not applied over there. So if you want to import with that responsible manager, they have added over there. If you see here, there are different options: do not import, import, and then keep existing and update existing. So if you want to import, you can select any of the option. With the responsible manager, this feature they have added over there. So this feature is located over there. Just close it. I don't want to import this file. Close it. Okay. So next we will go to the again. Then improve clarity in the global change. So what they did for the clarity in the global change, I will apply over there the global change. We will go to the tools and global change. Here maybe we can do any of the global change. Here I will just apply changes over there. You can see here what they did. They added the project ID and WBS code. Before it was activity ID field, old value and new value. Now they have added for the project ID and WBS code. The purpose behind this is that if you are applying the global change on the different projects, as I have explained, the tutorial will be on air soon. You can do the comparison for the different project, 10, 20 or 50 projects. So it will show you the project ID and WBS code over there for the projects. So I will just cancel changes. Yes, I don't want to do this. And on the other option we will see here, preview changes before committing to the update baseline. So here we will see the sixth option, preview changes before committing the update baseline. So here, for example, project, we will go to the maintain baseline. I will add save the copy of the same project because of the baseline. Okay, if we see here, we can say that baseline. Okay, I will just see. If you see here, update feature, in the update feature there was an option. They have changed the totally wizard option over there. If some actions, you can see all activities, whatever detailed tutorial you will found on the Planning P6 channel. But for the updating, especially for the which are the baselines over there, what you want to update over there, you can update by this way. They have added the preview feature, how you can preview the changes, and if you need still before updating or commit the changes, you can do it. If you see here what you have changes there, you can preview. If you are feeling that is not true, then you can change again and preview again and again until, and at the last you have to push the update option. They have increased, and this wizard has been changed already. I will try to put the previous wizard also preview in the video while we are editing. We will add the 23.12 version and 24.12 version. You can see what changes they have done. This is a very useful feature. You can use it. So now we can go there. Do you want to save the? No, we don't want to save. So here, if you see there, then export code will value path to the CCP format. So the CCP contract project performance. So here in the CCP format, I will go and summarize one of the project over there. Maybe in the projects, I will summarize any of the project. I will just create a copy of this project and summarize that project. Okay, paste over there. The same I will paste it. Okay, baselines if there are. Okay, okay, project baseline. Okay, okay, okay. So here is our 26A. I will name it. So I will just go there and summarize our project. Right click and summarize the project. Okay, okay. So I will open this project. Where is it? This one. Open or export directly, you can do it. So file and click here, export project. After the exporting, if you see here, contract project performance format is there. Baseline, I will select this baseline which we have created over there. Next, and then if I go to the modify, you can see here, if you see there, if you want to export any of the option, you can export. Now you can add the code values over there. If any activity codes, project codes you are using over there, you can use any of the code value in the format. In CPP format, you can add any of the values. So we will prepare a separate tutorial on it, but for the feature, it is added here. So close this one. So the next is that ClickOnce renamed. It is basically the file while we are downloading, that is ClickOnce renamed with the P6 Professional Setup EXE. So performance improvement, overall they improved some of the performances, they take the wizard and everything they have improved. Then the last one is that Milestone Activities relationship support. So before, while we are using the Milestone, they are only supporting two or three two relationships. We are not able to do the different relationships over there for the Milestone. I will change this activity to task dependent to the Milestone activity, maybe the start milestone. Okay, resources, I will just remove the resources, remove it, yes, okay, yes, okay. I will change now task dependent to start or finish milestone. So this activity has been changed now. If I go to the relationship here, or I will go to the predecessor or successor, if you see there, I will just assign the activity relation to any of the other activities. For example, here I will assign there. So this one, before it was supported only two relationship, now the all relationship types are supported to this activity. So these main changes they have done in the Primavera P6 24.12 version, database version, and for the PPM. If you see overall, there are some specific features there where the performance was very low. They updated most of the feature. As I told you, there are one error occurred while we are connecting the first database or creating the first database in the system. So simply exit and then give the password and name. The error will be automatically resolved over there. So for the web version, we will go to the web version and see what updates are there. So I will explain over there only the web version now. So for the P6 team member and web and iOS or Mac versions, what they have updated over there. So totally 10 they have fixed the bugs for different durations. So view step description. In the view step description, you can see the description of each step in the step section of the activity details tab of the progress panel in P6 team member web. You can also see the step description in the steps dialog box of the P6 team member web. You can see the description of each step in the step details of the page P6 for the iOS as well. So these descriptions I will write on as the shape of the article in our view, and then you can read it and apply if you are user of the P6 team member or for the iOS you have. So the next is that they have standard view for the timesheets. As I described, this is the timesheet options. The standard view is now default view when a new user opens the timesheet page of the P6 team member web. The standard view of the timesheet page introduced with the release P22.6 provides many advantages and over classic view, including custom filters, multiple group and sort options, the ability add and hide columns in the grid, quick search functionality, a look and feel closer to P6 interface, significant improvements in performance during the data loading. If you upgrade your release 22 or 24.4, or if you have never modified default timesheets over there. So they totally upgrade. There are different updates they done. View application settings, then also you can, if you have modified the default timesheet view in application setting, upgrade the from the 22.6 or later 24.4. when you are log into team member web and navigate to the timesheet page, you will see the same view as used last time in the applications over there. So classic view of the timesheet page, they have updated over there. The classic view of the timesheet page in P6 team member web is supported in this release but not be supported in future releases. Oracle recommends using the standard view of the timesheet page in P6 team member. So then limit the scope of for the completed activity, limit the scope of for the all filter of for the completed activity in P6 member and iOS. When you choose the view all completed activities, the scope has previously limited to the 30 days. This limit ensure no degradation in performance and also helps you to focus on the most relevant activities that were completed more than 30 days. The time frame for the completed activity setting in the preferences page P6 team member web allows you to select your preferred scope for all filters when viewing completed activities, the options available are 30, 60, 90 or for 180 days. The same setting available for the iOS as well. So these are the major changes they have done in the P6 web user team. Web users are for the iOS version. Enterprise Project Portfolio Management EPPM feature overview. They have updated total 18 updates. First one is the 9 bug fix for the different times user administration improvements. The user administration page provides more efficient access to the user count. A roll up of the total number of users assigned each module is shown when the view includes the module columns. A filter of menu allows you to hide inactive user account from the view. And then the standardized user setting, the copy user setting. The dialog box makes it easy to copy setting from the one user to multiple other users. For the example, you could create the template user for the different access and configuration the copy user setting. So they updated that in detail. You can see an article on our website. Summary bar, labels, roll up and data fields. In this bar dialog box, the activity views. The label field on the summary bar shows that the value of the field at grouping level. So drag milestone and remaining early start dates on the Gantt chart. You can drag the milestone on Gantt chart with chart view of activity page to apply the start on or after. So the second is that easily access to the audit data. You can view the table or dating data for the project on EPS page. You can see the detailed description on our website as well. I will upload article very soon. So exclude the source secure codes when pasting the data. You can select not to include the secure code assignment when performing the following action: cutting and then pasting the project activities, resources or roles, including the assignments pasted with the their projects and activities; copying and then pasting the project activity, resources or roles, including the assignment pasted with their project and activities. So improved filtering of the card view of status update. You can filter the card view using your own customized filter on the basis of the many aspects of status updates, including the dates associated with the status update, user associated with the status update, activity ID or name WBS, code or name, status type and review type. Open P6 directly from the activity email. When you use the email activity details action from the row action menu in the activities page, the email you send contains the link to the activity. The recipient of the email can click the link to open P6 directly from the specific project and activity to which the email refers. Improved clarity about the database you are logging into. To the login page of P6 always show the database and language list. Previously, these lists were part of the advanced section and login page, which was not expanded by default. Modifying security privileges is quicker and easier. The global security profiles and project security profiles pages now list all privileges in the categorized list, a single detail window. The privileges and grouped into the categories that correspond to the separate detail windows exist in the previous version. So it's not longer necessary to remember the category to which a privilege belongs, because you can search a single category list quickly to the privileges you need to modify. Export the entire code value path to the CPP format. As I explained in the Primavera P6 PPM version, the same they have added over there. So you can read and see over there. Sample user inactivity improved. The sample user inactivity include the creation date of the user account. This helps to differentiate between user who are not using their login from the user who have not yet logged into because they are new in the organization. So web service allows the list for the REST services. Cloud only the web service allow the list extended to be web service REST endpoints. Migration from OBIEE to Oracle Analytics Server. In the Oracle Cloud releases 24.9 and earlier Oracle Cloud hosted environments use OBIEE Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition for the analytic reporting. With this release, we will migrate to Oracle Analytics Server OAS. OAS is self-service analytics and data visualization platform that offers a wide range of AI capabilities to deliver critical data insights and rich data visualization to dashboards and reports. So then faster startup time for the P6 for Android and P6 iOS. P6 for the Android and P6 iOS were designed with the functionality to allow you to work more effectively during the periods of the internet connectivity downtime. As the internet technology improve, many people find their internet connection is more stable and reliable for more of the time. To ensure you have the most up to data during internet outage, at the login of the apps, download all the data you might need. You can now choose skip that download, enabling you to log into the apps more quickly. If you choose and to switch off the download of the offline toggle on the login screen, P6 for the Android, P6 for the iOS will be downloaded data is required while you work. So Milestone Activity supported all relationship, as I explained over there. Define a default database for the database instance. In the Primavera P6 administrator, if there is multiple database instance defined for the configuration, you can select which should be the default for the new installation or for the existing user. So these updates they have done over there. My suggestion is that you have to use always the updated version of the Primavera P6, because they are fixing the bugs, they are improving the performance, they are fixing the errors, which errors are coming from the different versions by the feedback of the different expert organizations. Primavera Oracle is updating time to time the Primavera. So let's move to the latest version. Hopefully this tutorial is helpful for you people. Please like, share and comment on our tutorial. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.